Okay, well, after 2 fairly extended stays in the shop for engine rebuild and wiring and a bunch of other stuff, the old 51 Ford truck is looking pretty dirty. Not only that, but the patina shine that I put on it, the juice, if you will, looks like it's just about worn off. People say that that lasts about 6 months. Well, it's been more than 6 months. So we are going to do a hopefully quick wash and rejuicing of the truck. I swear the neighbors love to crank up the landscaping right when I'm trying to shoot videos. Alright, looking good. So time for the rejuicing. And believe it or not, I actually still have the batch that I whipped up last time that I stored in a safe place. I would think it's still good. It's just, for those who don't remember the previous video, it's boiled linseed oil, mineral spirits, and just a squirt or two of WD-40. So that's been sitting for about 7 months, but I think it'll still work. I do think I want to go on lighter this time than last time because it took quite a while, quite a few days actually, until it wasn't still tacky. So I think we'll be a little more judicious with the juice this time. There she is. Ooh. All right, well, it's the next day. I kind of ran out of time. Me and the boy had to get off the movie, and I kind of also ran out of juice. Thought I had enough there, but you could probably see some obvious parts here where it's been oiled and other parts where it's been not. So we got to mix some more up. For those who remember, the patina juice recipe that I'm using is basically just boiled linseed oil, cut with mineral spirits, not quite 50-50. It's what I learned from folks online, so we'll give it a whirl. Okay, so I also don't want to mix up too much so that I have a bunch of leftovers, so I don't think I really need that much. Maybe like that. And what do you think about that? Give that a little stir. I think we're ready to finish the job. That's pleasing, isn't it? Ooh. Ooh, nice. I didn't get hardly any on this tailgate before. It was completely out. Although I remember from last time the Didn't have quite as much of an effect back here on this metal. You can see not quite as dramatic. Trying to preserve that original blue paint there on the logo. I've even thought about trying to mix up a similar paint to kind of touch it up, but so far I've leaned towards just keeping it original. And might as well go ahead and hit some of these fenders a little bit that did not get very much left before. I can see mist spots. Probably one of my favorite parts of the truck is this fender. Just beautiful gradations of red and patina. All right, and there is the finished product, the rewashed and rejuiced 51 Ford. I actually ended up hitting the fenders in the hood again. I think maybe like waxing. A couple of light coats is better than one heavy one. Looking nice. I did not do the inside of the truck bed. I found last time it just made very little effect and it was a whole bunch of work for nothing. All right, should be good for at least a few more months of cruising and shows and other good times. Thanks for watching.